I wanted to do like a mukbang. It's my first time doing a mukbang, by the way. Yeah, first time for everything, not true? Yeah, guys, so me buy KFC. Here with your girl Jamaican Kim. Yeah, guys, so I just come back from in town and there's so much rain. Hold on, let me turn on this fan. This fan is so loud. Yeah, guys, so if you hear anything in the background, that's my fan, okay? Yes, guys, so yeah, so I went in town to pay some bills and stuff, and the rain won me downtown. The rain won me downtown, so I just so I went over KFC and I bought some chicken. So I wanted to do like a mukbang. It's my first time doing a mukbang, by the way. Yeah, first time for everything, not true? Yeah, guys, so I buy KFC. And if anybody know how Jamaica KFC stay with them cup holder and stuff, you must understand why we go through and the rain I don't know good. I have to take out the cups them out the cup holder, throw away the cup holder because everything literally rip up. Make me not have no use, may I tell you. Yes, guys, so I know nothing from morning. I haven't had anything this morning, so I'm just gonna have something now. So I'm gonna show you what I got and we're gonna enjoy it together, okay? Yeah, guys, so the cup now with the drinks, I have to take it out and throw it in this, and it appear water, literally mere water, but anyways I'm gonna still drink it. So I bought a big box, and this is how the big box came. This is how it came. I'm trying to open it for you. So I bought the Zinger big box because they have different kind of big box, you know. They have like the chicken big box and stuff. I bought the Zinger big box, and I don't even know what they put in this. I told them to give me barbecue Zinger and spicy chicken. So I got a small fries, and they put like a small coleslaw in there, and that's my chicken. I told them to give me breast. Let's look on this and see how it's looking. Oh, that's my daughter coleslaw because she don't like coleslaw, so I took her coleslaw because I really like to eat the coleslaw. Oops. Alright, so let's view what's inside. We're gonna view what's in the KFC Zinger, right? I hope they gave me the barbecue, you know, because I told them to give me the barbecue. Alright, so let's see what's in this. Alright, so far it look alright. So we're going to take a closer look, guys, and we're going to review this KFC Zinger. Alright, so I told them to give me barbecue. Guys, whenever you buying something, burger or whatever it is, a sandwich, please open up your sandwich and check inside. Always practice to do that, okay? If you guys watch the patty video that I did, oops, look a piece of chicken. If you guys watch the patty video that I did, you will know why I said that. I'm turning the fan the other way. Yeah, you guys know why I said that if you watch my patty, the video that I did when I went to Juicy Beef. Alright, so this is how the inside of the barbecue Zinger is looking. So let's take a closer look, guys, and look on the chicken and everything. It's too close. Alright, so that's how it's looking. They gave me one piece of tomato, But look on the little bit of chicken that they give me to guys, and a big piece of bread. So look how much bread left back over here. So anyways, and then give me some lettuce, 2 pieces of barbecue chicken. And normally this chicken is like boneless, right? And you know, the bread is okay, the bread is soft. So guys, they say Popeye chicken sandwich is better than KFC. I don't know, because I've never had Popeye. A Popeye name, Popeyes or whatever. I want to try it one day. So that's how it's looking, and we're gonna try it and see if it tastes in the way how it's tasting. Oh, and I want to show you what else is in the big box. So I got a zinger, right? Your choice if you want barbecue, original, or spicy. I chose the barbecue. And you get 1 piece of chicken, and you get some fries, and you get 1 coleslaw with your meal. And that's the big box, zinger big box. And I paid $999, $95, $9.95. Call it $1,000 Jamaican money, right? Fries, and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna try and see how it's tasting. So we are going to have our zinger, right? So you guys take the first bite. Go ahead and take the first bite. Okay, so this is the zinger. My first time doing a mukbang. Or is this a mukbang? Is this a mukbang or a mukbang? I don't know what it is. Mukbang, mukbang. Alright. Same thing. It's a bit dry. It's not my first time having this zinger, by the way, guys. But the one I taste look a bit dry. No, nothing. Who love tomato? I love tomato, guys, but I love cucumber more than the tomato. Okay. Coleslaw. We are gonna try the coleslaw, guys. Zinger was okay, but we are gonna try the coleslaw. Excuse my hair, okay? Excuse my hair. I just came out and just pull out the thing out my hair. My head was feeling tired. My head was feeling so tired. So anyways, we are going to have the coleslaw. I like to eat KFC coleslaw, because the coleslaw is not that bad. It's okay. It's pretty good. Guys, I say when you go KFC and you buy the meal and you get the drink, it come like it not even make no sense to take no drinks, because the drinks is a total waste of time. Unless you're gonna sit down there and have the meal Otherwise, waste of time. Trust me. By the time you reach home, like pure water you're drinking. No bother with the drink. At all. Make no sense. So they gave me Coke. This is Coke water right now. And this is the piece of chicken that they gave me. And you see? And it's breasts. Their chicken is normally good. Their chicken are normally good anyways. I'm just gonna have a little piece. I'm gonna save some for my hubby. Chicken is good. And this is a spicy chicken. See? I will give them a 7, rating them from out of 10. I'll give them a 7. They could improve on their the zinger, because the zinger is really dry, and I think they should serve some sauce. They gave me ketchup, but I don't really love ketchup all the while. But I think they should have put like some sauce or something. Yeah, different kind of sauce. Water. Pepsi water. So guys, in KFC, you still cannot dine inside because of the whole coronavirus. They close off all the seats. So what they do there, they make you line up outside, and they let in like about maybe 10 persons at a time. You buy your stuff and you go. No dining. And you cannot go and re-catch your drink. They give you a drink in the cup, and I don't like that, you know, because them catch a drink in the cup and have it there, and probably they put ice in it, and the ice just melts everything. Just I don't like it that way. But anyways, that's how they're doing it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will catch you again in my next video. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification, guys, so you get updated, and whenever I post another video, you're updated. And what else? Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you again in my next video.